on me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Whoa, son, that sounded bad. That was nasty. Ow, ah, that's my eye. Poke your finger in my eye. Isn't that funny? So really? It's fucking raining. Great. Wonderful. I'm supposed to take the kids to the freaking Chula Vista Starlight parade today. What am I gonna do? Woo! We're off to the parade, guys. The Chula Vista parade. Oh my god, why am I so shaky? It's fucking raining. All I did today was chill out, clean my entire house, and get these baby kids ready. You guys ready for the parade?
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo-hoo! Okay. Wish me luck, because I'm doing this by myself without fail. Why do I keep looking this way every time I fucking am supposed to look here? Oh my god, it's such a stupid bitch. Woo! Such a stupid, you know. Anyways. So yeah, we are off to Josh and Shay's house because they just live down the street from where it's gonna be at. Nah, my boo thing. Yeah. Child. Oh my god, he's my child. Anyway, what's up? Okay, let's go. Let's get on the road because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a bunch of trash.
I'm down to park right there. Where those ladies are gonna park.
And then the mayor goes up. No, it's
And you babe around.
Yeah. Well, you know.
Oh shit.
Keep walking, keep fucking walking.
Oh, look! Look at that. Vista!
Say hi, go say hi. Look at John, go say
Oh my god!
Look at John goes there. John, right here. This guy right here. Look at, say hi. Are you enjoying your Christmas parade?
I am.
Oh, are you sad that you didn't get a candy cane?
No.
It's your fucking lying ass. I mean, look at the legs.
Fuck you.
Did you guys have fun? And that one is already out. Oh my god, I cannot believe he's already out. So I'm getting them McDonald's, and then we are going to go home, eat, get ready for bed. I don't know if you guys want to see our nighttime routine. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want a video like that. And then we are going to go to, where are we going tomorrow? The Toyland Parade in the morning. Excited?
I can't wait for them to give out the cake.
Say hi to YouTube.
Don't do that to me.
Oh, now you gonna be in the vlog.
Do that. Done something.
Girl, I vlog every event. Oh.
Right back.
My babies. Are these all of Mom's grandkids? Are they? Yeah. I think so. You got any more? I don't think I got any more.
You got it.
I won't get them.
You got it.
Why are they getting it though? Excuse me, sir, but what kind of animal are you?
Tiger.
Hey, Liam. Sit down. Sit down. He's Tigger. What a rabbit head. Oh, this is what we doing? That bitch.
Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems as a human in me. Bling bling, then I saw them, that's the goddess in me. You could have had non-committal, happy what you call real, just a little. You supposed to hold me down, but you holding me back, and that's the sound. I mean, not calling you back. Why men great till they gotta be great?
Okay, she getting it. Getting it.
Best friends hit me down in the salon chair.
Let me see.
He got like 10 gums in his mouth. Hold on.
Bitch, it's just your phone. Shut up.
Oh, wait, hold up.
Oh, I can cute. Send me that.
All right.
I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that death instead of the gun.
Yeah? You're fucking crazy. Right? Hayden likes the Lolo. My kid would. Why does that make me nauseated though? run to it.
Stay right here. Stay right here.
Look,
They smell like gas. It's really good. Look at that big dog.
come here, Papa. I know, you see it. You gotta hold my hand though. Jake, hold your brother's hand. Grab one. Thank you. Oh my god, we got soaked. Look at the boys. Aiden, let me see your pants. Oh my god.
Oh my
Okay, the parade is over in North Park. We are going home. Whew. First, we're gonna get something to eat. We're gonna go home. They're gonna take baths after they eat, warm baths, and then we're gonna bake brownies. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog it. We might, but yeah. Now to get all the way back to the South Bay. Ugh.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the